How to sell digital products on Etsy. Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial not only will I be showing you how to sell digital products on Etsy, I will also show you how to create digital products for free and sell them on Etsy. But first, what are digital products? Well, digital products is any product you sell online that doesn't have a physical form or substance. You can't hold a website template in your hand, smell an ebook, or taste a software program. So basically, one of the main advantages of selling a digital product is once you create it once, it doesn't have an inventory. So it can continue selling even while you're sleeping, and you can sell hundreds, if not thousands and millions of your digital products without ever after worrying about delivery. You never have to go to the post or anything like that to mail it to start making money. Now, with Etsy, it is one of the most popular platforms to sell digital products, as all you have to do is go onto Etsy.com, and then from there you can tap on the search bar and you can search for numerous digital products. For example, persons go onto Etsy to purchase digital planner. All you have to do once on Etsy is simply type in digital planner, and then from there you can see digital planner for different stuff, whether you want a digital planner for a teacher, whether you would like it for your iPad, or you want digital planner stickers. All of these are digital products, and you can see that digital planners are selling, as you can see right here. You can see that this person has over 8,800 reviews, and all they are selling are digital planners. You can see that at least 20 persons have this digital planner in their cart, and they are selling it for $13.79, as you can see right there. So yes, it is a good idea to sell digital products on Etsy. Another example of a digital product that you could sell on Etsy that is beginner friendly and you can make for free are Canva templates. As you can see, Canva templates are a big niche on Etsy, as you can see right here. And you can create Canva templates for almost anything, whether you like to create real estate templates or newspaper wedding programs, as you can see right here. So if I were to tap on real estate templates, you can see how it looks. And to create these templates are quite easy. As you can see right here, this is how the template look. And to do this, all you need to do is quickly open an account on Canva, and you can do this for completely free. All you will need to do is go onto canva.com, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once on Canva, you can search for whatever you want. So let's say, for example, for this example's sake, let's say we would like to create a checklist for Airbnb. And by the way, this is a big niche. For example, you can see on Etsy right here, I typed in Airbnb cleaning checklist. And yes, there are a lot of persons that are purchasing this. As you can see right here, this is also another profitable niche. So you don't need to own an Airbnb to make money with Airbnb, as you can see right here. Some persons are purchasing their Airbnb checklist, and you can see that this is created in Canva. Again, if I were to tap on one of them, you can see a simple template like this. You can see that persons are purchasing it, as over 20 persons have this item in their cart at the moment. And to create this, all you'll need to do once on Canva, you're going to type in Airbnb cleaning. Once you have typed in Airbnb cleaning, you'll be redirected to this page, and you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from that you can use. So let's say I were to select this template right here. You can see that it is a 2-page template. Now to edit the template, all you'll need to do is tap on customize this template. After you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do now is add the finishing touches to the template. So you can change anything you want. If you would like to change the text style, or if you'd like to change the text, you can do that. All you have to do is tap on the text that you would like to change. Then from there you could change the font size if you want. You can also change the font if you want right there. And if you would like to edit anything else, all you have to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit, and from there you can make any changes you want. By the way, if you would like to add more pages to your checklist, you can go over to the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you could scroll down and you can see cleaning checklist, another example right here. So if you'd like to use this instead, you can do that. You can also scroll down and you can see the different pages right here that you could add. So let's say, for example, you would like to add something from this list. All I need to do is tap on this page right here. Then you can see the page has been added. If you would like to change anything, let's say we'd like to remove the leaf, we can simply tap on the leaf, then tap on delete, then tap on this leaf again, tap on delete again. After you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on share, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on download. Then you'll tap on download again, and from there you have now created your digital product. After you have created your digital product, you're going to need to create a mockup. What is a mockup? Well, a mockup is basically this, what you see right here. A mockup is what the customer sees when they goes onto your Airbnb or your Etsy listing. So this is a mockup. You can create video mockups. You can also create regular mockups just like this. And you can create your mockup using Canva also. And again, you can also do this for free again on Canva, just like what this person did. The only thing is, with these programs or with creating a digital product and making sale, it is just like with anything else online or overall in life. It doesn't come quickly. So you can upload your digital product and you may be fortunate to make a sale the same day, or it could take you a few days, a few weeks, or so on to make your first sale. It is all a waiting process. But with digital products, it is once you have uploaded, that's it. You don't have to keep on uploading different products and you don't have to worry about delivery or anything like that. So it is passive. As you can see, digital download, and it is simply one PDF, just like what I showed you to do a while ago. So to create a listing, all you'll need to do once on Etsy after you have signed up, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see your account. You would tap right there. Then you would see the option to sell on Etsy. Once you have tapped on that, you're going to be redirected to a listing just like this. So let's say I were to tap on the home icon right here. Once you have tapped on the home icon, this is where you'll be able to create your listing. So the first thing you will need to do is select your shop preferences. And your shop preferences will basically be the shop language. You can also select the currency that you would like to get paid in. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to select your shop name. So you can add your shop name right there. And you're going to tap on save and continue. Then now it is time to add your digital product. So you're going to add your digital product real quick. The first thing you want to do in this section, this is your listing section, you're going to add the different mockups right here. After you have added the mockups, you're going to scroll down. You can add a mockup video right here. After doing that, you're going to scroll down. You're going to add your listing title. And again, what I would recommend you do is not reinvent the wheel. So all you'll need to do is simply visit one of these pages for inspiration, and you can use different ideas from them, meanwhile adding your own personal touches. So you're going to go right there, then you'll select who made it. You can tap on I did, what is it, and then you can tap on a finished product. Then you'll tap on when did you make it. You can tap on made to order, or you can simply add recently right there. Then you can scroll down, and right where you see digital, you're going to tap right there. You can add your description right there. After you have added your description, you're going to scroll down, and from here you can add tags. And basically tags are keywords that persons search for, and you want to be careful with the tags that you add, as this will allow you for, and you want to ensure that you add tags that are related to the digital product that you have created, as Etsy is a search platform. So if you add the correct tags, it will make it easier for persons to find your digital product once they are searching. So you are going to be able to add your price right there. Then you can add in the quantity, and it being a digital product, you can add 1,000 or even more. As you can see, quantity must be, so you can add 999 right there. Then you are going to scroll down, and here is where you would upload the download that you got from Canva. You would upload it right here. So this is their digital file. So once someone has paid, they would be able to download your digital file. After doing that, you are going to tap on save and continue, and then you'll be able to continue with your listing by simply setting up billing. So you'll be able to add your PayPal and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.